In this video, we will overview the process of obtaining a trial version of Rapid Ext JS. On the Sencha homepage, click the Rapid Ext JS button. You will be brought to the Rapid Ext JS landing page. On this page, click the Get Started button. This will bring you to the 30-day free trial of Rapid Ext JS form. Fill out this form and click the Submit button, which I have already done on this computer. The Rapid Ext JS zip file will be downloaded to your computer. Also, a welcome email will be sent to the email address you entered in the form. Unzip the Rapid Ext JS downloaded file. A file with a .vsix extension will be unzipped. This is the Rapid Ext JS VS Code extension. To install this extension in VS Code, launch an instance of the VS Code editor. In the menu bar, click the Extensions button. This will display the extensions pane. In the upper right corner of this pane, click the three dots menu. Then select Install from VSIX from the drop-down menu. In the dialog that appears, select the .vsix file that you previously unzipped. Then click the Install button. After a few moments, the completed installing extension message appears in the lower right. You can close this message. You can also close the extensions pane by clicking on the extensions icon in the menu bar. In the lower left, the new ExtJS app button appears. To verify installation of the Rapid Ext JS extension, click the new ExtJS app button. The Rapid Ext JS login page will appear. For a trial account, fill in the form and click the Submit button. Or, if you already have a Sencha Ext JS Pro or Enterprise login, switch to that account type. For example, for an Enterprise account, switch to the Enterprise account type and type in your username and password. Then click the Login button. After a few moments, the new ExtJS project form appears. You are now ready to create your first ExtJS project in Rapid Ext JS.